today's video, I'll be showing you on just how to use the Temu app. Go ahead and download the app. Now, on the app's home screen, you have 4 icons: Home, Categories, You, and Cart. If we head to the top of the page, you'll see all the categories for Temu, from anniversary gifts all the way down to jewelry. Then you have lightning deals, which is basically Temu's limited deals. At the bottom, you have another way to access your categories. Up next, the category tab. You have everything from home and kitchen to women's shoes and clothes, all the way down to men big and tall, and jewelry and accessories. And if you keep on scrolling, you'll see cell phones and accessories. Now, for the You tab. To save and see your favorite items, you'll need to create or sign into your account. And for your cart, you need to do the same as well. Now, to do this, you'll need to enter in your email and hit continue, or sign up with Google, Facebook, Apple, or your phone number, whatever works best for you. And now that we've created our account, let's start our order. I love a good deal, so let's start by going through lightning deals and see what we can find. We got some pretty cool stuff. Something to keep in mind with these lightning deals is that they're only up for a limited time. So for this nail kit, this deal is going to be available for 1 day and 10 hours. So just be mindful of that. This one right here is my personal favorite, just because I see it all the time on TikTok, the push-up board. And for less than $10, this can be yours. But if you're going to go on Amazon, something like this will go around for at least $25. With recommended local providers, you can get faster delivery because it's from a warehouse. I love this nail kit because it's completely aesthetic and clean. So let's go ahead and add it to our cart. Now at the top here, if you want to get a quick glance at all the categories here and what they have, you can just scroll on through. This is what the You tab looks like once you've signed in. So now you can receive messages from Temu and updates on your order. If you click on reviews, you'll see that I have made no reviews. I want to add a few more things to my cart, so of course you can't forget your jewelry. Let's see what we can find. Now if you're not a good gift giver, Temu has you covered with personalized gifts. And there's an ad with it as well, so you can see what it'll look like if you were to give it to a boy. Now, I want to find one more item to add in my cart. This looks promising, a titanium steel necklace. And if you scroll down, you'll see that you can opt in for a payment plan interest-free. Let's check out the reviews to see what we're working with here. So far, so good. No complaints about the product. And for the store review, you can see that they have 50 followers and they've sold 5.4K products with an overall rating of 4.7. I'm definitely impressed and loving the jewelry. So let's go ahead and add it to our cart. Now, when checking out as a first-time shopper, you'll get this pre-check. This is basically giving you a quick tutorial on how to deselect items that you may not want, and how to continue with checkout. Something that Temu does that you may not be aware of is that to even place an order on Temu, you have to hit a certain amount in your cart. And right now, I need $8.19 to even ship my order from Temu. Once you've met the requirements for your cart, hit checkout. To finalize your order, select your payment method. And then hit submit order. And that's how to use the Temu app. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you next time. Bye guys.